Hello and welcome. In this video I will be demonstrating how you go about drawing isotherms on a weather map. So to begin, as you can see here, we have a distribution of temperatures throughout. Now what an isotherm does is an isotherm connects points of equal temperature. So we're going to be looking at, of course, all of these are in degrees Fahrenheit. So what we're going to do is connect points of equal temperature. Now, second thing that you have to remember is isotherms typically comes in units of 10 degrees of scale. So whenever we look at this, I'm going to analyze the map, and the first thing that I always do is I always start to the north, which is always going to be cooler temperatures than to the south. Okay, so looking at this, I'm going to go ahead with my marker here. I have my pencil, and now I'm going to go ahead and switch it to a pen. And the first thing that I notice is I see all these 20s right here. So the 20-degree isotherm is my first isotherm. Now, after I do my first isotherm of 20 degrees, what I'm going to do now is go in another increment of 10 where you can see the 30-degree isotherm. And so I'm going to draw a line directly through each one of these. Now, the one thing that I want you to notice there is notice that 25 degrees. Because isotherms are in units of 10 degrees Fahrenheit, you don't really worry about making an isotherm for that 5 degree. So it's always in those 10. And now I continue on with 40. You can see I'm going straight through them here. 50. Please realize that you can never skip an isotherm. So like out here, I'm going to do this, but because I don't have any 50 degrees out here, I can't just continue it on, but I do pick it right back up here and go up through those 50. Now, I notice I missed a 40 up there. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to do the 60. And then I have to do a 70. Now, notice that there's a 70 right there, but I still continue that on right through here. Okay, then we're going to do the 80. And finally, just the 90-degree isotherm. So now what you can see is you can see that we have this distribution of temperatures. Now if you wanted to, you could actually shade all that in and do all that good stuff, but that wasn't required on this. And so we'll see what this does. It makes it black. I don't want it to be black. I would change the colors of it and everything like that to say it's going to be a different color. So we're not even going to worry about that coloring it in right now. So hopefully that explains to you how you go about drawing in the isotherms, and it's always going to be the same for every different type of map.